Finding clean drinking water can become one of the biggest headaches when you are traveling, hiking, or spending time outdoors. The LifeStraw Go tackles that problem by putting a two-stage filtration system directly into a reusable bottle. It can improve taste while filtering out bacteria, parasites, microplastics, and other unwanted particles, giving you a much more convenient way to hydrate away from home. The biggest appeal of the LifeStraw Go is pretty straightforward. You can carry your own filtration system with you instead of depending entirely on bottled water. That makes it especially interesting for hiking, traveling, road trips, and other situations where access to clean drinking water is not always convenient. The bottle uses two filtration stages, starting with a carbon filter and a membrane microfilter. The carbon filter is focused on improving the overall drinking experience by reducing chlorine, unpleasant odors, and organic chemical matter. That is important because even when water is technically usable, it can still have a taste or smell that makes you hesitate before drinking it. Membrane microfilter handles the more serious filtration work. LifeStraw says it removes 99.99% of bacteria, 99.99% of parasites, and 99.9% of microplastics. It can also filter out particles such as sand, dirt, and cloudiness. So instead of simply making questionable water taste better, the system is designed to address a much broader range of contaminants. Honestly, that combination is what makes this more useful than a basic filtered water bottle. You are getting both a taste-focused carbon stage and a membrane designed to physically filter out tiny, unwanted particles and microorganisms. The bottle is also designed with longevity in mind. The membrane microfilter can handle up to 1,000 gallons of water, which LifeStraw estimates at roughly 5 years of daily use. That is a substantial lifespan for a portable filtration system. You are not constantly replacing the main filter after a few trips, which makes it more practical for people who use this kind of bottle regularly. The carbon filter has a shorter lifespan of up to 26 gallons, or around 2 months according to the stated usage estimate. That means you will need to pay closer attention to the carbon filter replacement schedule, even though the main membrane can last much longer. I would consider that a small trade-off for having a two-stage system, but it is something buyers should know before relying on the bottle for extended travel. Another advantage is the environmental side. LifeStraw estimates that replacing disposable water bottles with this reusable system can help prevent up to 8,000 single-use plastic bottles from being used over the product's lifespan. That is a pretty compelling benefit if reducing plastic waste is important to you. The reusable design also makes sense for people who are constantly moving. Instead of buying a new bottle every time you need drinking water, you carry one bottle and filter water as needed. For hiking and outdoor adventures, that can potentially reduce the amount of disposable packaging you need to carry and throw away. The compact design helps too. This is still a bottle you can take on an adventure rather than a bulky standalone filtration system that needs its own bag. That makes it easier to work into a hiking, travel, or emergency kit. One important point, though, is that a water filter should not automatically be treated as a solution for every possible water source. You still need to understand what the filter is designed to remove and follow the manufacturer's instructions for safe use. If you are dealing with heavily contaminated or otherwise unsafe water, filtration alone may not address every potential hazard. Overall, the LifeStraw Go combines filtration, portability, and reusability in a package that makes sense for people who spend a lot of time away from reliable drinking water. The long-lasting membrane, replaceable carbon filter, and reduction of single-use plastic give it practical advantages beyond simply carrying water around. The LifeStraw Go is best suited to hikers, travelers, campers, road trippers, and anyone who regularly finds themselves away from convenient sources of drinking water. It is especially appealing if you want to reduce dependence on disposable bottles while having extra filtration capability on the go. For someone who mostly drinks treated tap water at home, though, the filtration features may not be necessary enough to justify carrying one every day. If having access to cleaner tasting water is important when you are traveling, hiking, or exploring somewhere new, the LifeStraw Go is a practical bottle to have in your gear. You can check the current price and pick one up through the link in the description. If you found this review useful, leave a like, tell me what you think in the comments, and subscribe for more outdoor and travel gear reviews.